Hello.
Hi.
Do you speak English?
Yes, where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand. My name is Rohale. What's your name?
I am Seema.
Are you new here? I have not seen you before.
I just arrived yesterday.
I hope you can understand my English.
Yes, I can understand you. You speak very clearly.
Do you come from a big family?
Quite big. I have 3 sisters.
It must be difficult coming so far away from your family.
Yes, but I have always wanted to travel and meet people from other countries.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I am very excited to be here.
How long have you been here?
I have been here from 1 week. Where and when were you born?
I was born in 2005 in New Zealand.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. What do you do for work?
I'm a nurse. What about you?
I am a student.
Do you know what time is it?
Sure, it's 10:20 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 10:20 p.m.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Do you have any exciting plans in this weekend?
Yes, actually, it's my friend's birthday. We are going to have a big party. What do you like to do on this weekend?
I like playing cricket, reading, and listening to music. I am looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry, I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now, thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thanks. Is there a bakery near here?
Yes, there is a bakery nearby. Take the next corner and it's next to the bank. I have to get going.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a good day.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye, have a good day.
Catch you later. Bye bye.